Hello, my name is Jason Roebke, and today I'm going to show you how to create sound compositions with the Borderlands app. I have two recordings here, one from Humble Park and one from a forest with lots of owl sounds and rain. And my idea was there's sort of lower sounds in this one and higher sounds in that one, is to make them these high sounds even higher and these low sounds even lower, and to make some of the sounds stop, make it less dense with sound. So I made this one. This cloud here, and all these little white dots are playing little bits of the sound. And it's a kind of rhythmic. And these two make these sounds. This is very high, and this is more like the normal sound, but with a little bit more silence in between the bird sounds. So that was my piece, and let's see what we do if we switch these around. Thank you.
If you liked this video, make sure you like and subscribe so you can be informed of all the new tutorials and cool digital art related videos we're going to be making in the future. Also, make sure you check out the free Inferno cookbook by clicking on the link in the description. There you'll find recipes for all kinds of fun, creative projects and activities. Thanks for watching!